Morning, Mr. Dexter.
Morning to you. Well. Where's my boy? Where is my boy, you son of a bitch? Okay. Gonna play tough? You got it, asshole. See that little girl over there everybody's so fond of? Well, my scientists tell me that this is what revs her up. Look at her now. Weak as a little kitten. Mr. Dexter, fuck off! What the fuck kind of place you running here, Clive?
Hell, that ain't mine.
Jesus Christ, you...
That's Mrs. Cooper's.
sick fuck! You killed my boy, didn't you?
Look, man, just tell him what he wants to know. Accidents happen in this jail all the time.
Hey, Mr. Dexter, come on. You go on about your business. I'll take care of this guy. Let's go.
I want my boy back, Clive.
I ain't let you down yet, have I? Go on. Yeah, it's gonna be you and me now. Who the fuck are you? This is my fucking town!
Let him know we're serious.
Oh! Don't shoot me! I'm the sheriff! Ah!
Christ, what a dipshit.
Alpha team, stay on mission. 547.
What? Casualty, but no visual on possible target. Son of a bitch.
Blockades are in place here and here. We have sentinels positioned on every corner and sniper nests here, and on every rooftop overlooking town square. I don't care how good this guy's supposed to be. Unless he's got wings, he couldn't have got far.
Target won't be able to get through this way. Come on, let's move out. We need to sweep the parking lots. Our window of opportunity is closing fast.
Hey, watch your six. Get a casualty.